Hey guys, I bought new table for photography. I have some project with my clients. I must to do lifestyle photo. I need something like a cozy home, in living room, something front of the sofa, and I need new table for the shoot. I bought something on TEMU, and the shoot will be tomorrow or after tomorrow. That I need quickly the table. And on TEMU always is like you wait for delivery, but this time you can buy and pay extra for delivery, and it's 2 days you can have that option if you know or about this. Of course, this is not a sponsoring video from TEMU or something like that. I bought this table myself for this project, and I want to check how looks really the table is good or not, and I want to share with you. Maybe you find the same inspiration for yourself for some project lifestyle photo or video. First we open the box and check how it looks. How you see the photo now is that should look this table. We'll see is really the same what should came or not. Sometimes it's good to do something different project, not only food photography, restaurant, but have like lifestyle photography to do something different. What you will be more creative person to do new and special for me, because this I will be do video and photo. That I'm happy. Okay, the table should be white like on the photo. And how it looks amazing, everything nice. Is that big what I wanted, and the color is good, perfect, not perfect white. Maybe the light is not good because here in my room is yellow lights now, but looks very good. We have this. We have of course instruction how to do this, and we have 4 legs. That is simple to install this. You have here the table, the bottom. Here is the legs. Legs is from the wood. You must put inside and screw. And here in the back is nice because it protects something straight away. You will be not scratch your floor or panels. What you have is a good protect. Like you see, it's only a few seconds job, 30 seconds maybe. Put one legs, another legs, and I will be have new table for my photo shoot. That's I'm happy. And exactly new table for coffee table for my small office. That is perfect. And I'm looking for something different. I didn't want to spend money before, but now coming this project, and I say it's good time to buy something and nice. Like you see, 1 minute jobs. Now the table looks that amazing. Really I like how looks everything. The table is enough big for my photo shoot what I will be have, and that is perfect. And you can buy on the TEMU. The link I left below, what you easy can check this table. Maybe it's good for you. But second things, I didn't know about this. You can buy and pay extra and you have 2 days delivery. That is good, because sometimes I need something quickly to have and need for photo shoot. That was perfect for me, maybe for you. But if you want to see more video, that's what I buy on TEMU and use in my photography, let me know in the comment.